Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this easy black and white. It actually takes very few minutes to kind of like execute this look. And first off, I'm starting by priming my eyelids using the e.l.f. all over cover stick in light beige. And now I'm just applying some tape on the outer corner of my eye just to kind of like shape and structure how I want my eyeshadows to come out. And then I'm grabbing the Alyssa Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Headliner, and that's the white shade. And basically, as you can see, my palette, I've managed to break basically most of my eyeshadows, but nevertheless, I'm just gonna pack the headliner on the third of my eye basically. And yeah, and then now I'm just going in with the eyeshadow called Beast, which is like the matte black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid and make sure I basically intensify that color as I go along. So I just start off by a little bit and then I intensify it as I go along. And then now I'm just gonna grab that eyeshadow, basically whatever's left on my brush, and I'm just gonna drag it very light-handedly towards the inner corner of my eye, because I don't want that eyeshadow to be screaming intensity black. However, I just want just a tiny touch of it. And then now I'm just grabbing the Morphe 35 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm going into those two shades, which one is like a softer brown and the other one is like more like a brick red. And I'm just gonna apply it just above my crease area just to soften that black a little bit, and also just to give that like a transitioning shade at the same time. And then now I'm just grabbing some black gel liner, and I'm basically gonna outline the upper lash line basically, and just where my eye ends. And we're not gonna wing it out this time because I believe the black eyeshadow has already done that for us. And now I'm just grabbing this Smudge Kohl liner, and basically this is a white eyeliner, and I'm just gonna outline basically where my waterline is, and then I'm gonna go over like on my lower lash line exactly where my lashes are with the black gel liner. Just a touch of mascara on my upper lashes as well as on my lower lashes, just to kind of like help my false lashes to blend in together with my natural lashes. And now I'm just going in with a Smudge foundation primer, and basically I'm applying this just before I apply my foundation. And the foundation we're going to be using today is the LA Girl foundation, and this one is actually in warm caramel, and it's the LA Girl Pro coverage. Basically going over it and blending it out with a Morphe foundation brush. For concealer, I'm going in with the Smudge Perfecting Concealer, and this one is in soft beige, and this is what I'm going to be using to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and of course on my chin. once I'm done basically blending out all that concealer, I'm going in with the MSLondon loose powder, and this one is in a cocoa 1 shade, and this is just gonna help bring back some color back into my face. And now I'm just grabbing the W7 Big Blush, Big Bold Blushes, and I'm using that brown shade that they have there, which is like a bronzer, but today I'm going to be using it as a contouring shade because it's very light and I don't want such a dramatic contour. So yeah, I'm just going to contour the sides of my nose as well as the hollows of my cheek, and that will be it for contouring. And then now for the blush, I'm just going in the very light, soft blush that they have on the palette. It's hardly noticeable. And then for highlighting, I'm just going with that very light highlighter which they have on there, which has a little bit of gold tint into it, and I'm just gonna highlight the tip of my nose as well as the beginning of the bridge of my nose, and let's not forget the apples of my cheek, and of course the Cupid's bow. For the lips, I just wanted to stick with the theme, which is black and white, so I decided to go in with a black lip liner. I don't remember which brand this is from, and then I'm just gonna outline basically my lips with a black and then fill them in, and of course a little bit of a white eyeshadow touch in the center of my lips, and then go over it with a gloss, and basically that will be it. And that will basically finish off the look with a setting spray. But for this look, I'm not going anywhere, so I did not apply any setting spray because I was just gonna go back and wash it off. And basically that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Until next time, bye bye.